Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. Imagine a situation wherein you have a regression problem to solve. How do you approach that problem? Essentially, there are two approaches that you can take. First up, you will try to fit a line or a polynomial to the data. Secondly, if that does not give you accurate results, then you would go in for something as complex as a neural network. Now, the first option is kind of limited, and you would agree that most of the values that you would get with respect to root mean squared error or fitting the exact polynomial won't be very accurate for your use case. If you now use the second option, there is a trade-off that you're making. The trade-off essentially is that you're using a black box model as compared to a more interpretable model. Can we find a middle ground where we can get accurate models and yet not compromise on the model interpretability piece? Well, it is here that I discovered an amazing software called as Turing Bot. Turing Bot essentially solves the problem by finding explicit mathematical formulas that connect the variables that are there in a regression problem. This way, it generalizes the curve fitting methods while generating models that are simple and explainable. Whether you are an engineer, a researcher, a data scientist, or a quantitative analyst, Turing Bot will definitely help you out. So let me go forward and show you the power of this amazing tool called as Turing Bot. So this is the amazing interface of Turing Bot. I've already loaded a CSV file called as data_2.csv. The dataset that I have contains a target variable and three features x1, x2 and x3. If you look at the plot, it's currently plotting y with respect to the row number. So you have a plot that is also displayed in the interface. And if you look at the left hand side, you have search options such as search matrix, train test split, test sample, and so on and so forth. If you look at the functions as well, you have basic functions such as addition, multiplication, division. You also have trigonometric functions to realize the relationships between x and y. So you can either use sin x, cos x, tan x, and so on and so forth. Under the hood, what Turing Bot is doing is it's implementing a technique called as symbolic regression. Symbolic regression tries to combine a set of base equations into simple formulas that accurately predict the desired variable. Examples of base functions are addition, sin x, cos x, and so on and so forth. Let me go forward and change the x-axis value to x1. As soon as I do that, my visualization changes. So I can clearly see there is a relationship between y and x1. Let me now change the x-axis to x2. So correspondingly, the visualization changes and I have somewhat linear relationship between y and x2. If I change it to x3, then it's mostly noise. There is no clear pattern that is evident between y and x. I also have an option to change the plot scale. So I have a regular scale, I have a log y, log x. I can also convert both the values, that is x and y, into log scale values. So even that is possible. So overall, the visualization piece, again, I'm not writing a single line of code and all the visualizations are just a drag and drop away. So this looks amazing. As I previously mentioned, you also have an option of train test split. So essentially I'll select 70-30. So essentially I'll be using 70% of my data for training and 30% data for testing. I also have the option of selecting which logical function I want to use and which I want to avoid in the whole symbolic regression process. Now that everything is set up from my end, let me go forward and create different models. So what you're seeing right now is symbolic regression in action. Firstly, it kickstarts the activity by adding a constant. Next up, it adds the first feature and it tries different variations of the first feature by adding a square root, and then adding a bias and so on and so forth. So in this manner, it's kind of trying to realize the most accurate value of the functions or the features taken into account, and it's trying to reduce the error. The error that we've chosen is the RMS error. So as you keep going down, the RMS error would keep decreasing. So this is the power of symbolic regression. If I click on the prediction tab, then it will tell me for a set of input what will be the corresponding prediction across the different functions that have been realized. So again, a very powerful tool to validate how good your model is performing on unseen data. Well, this is what I wanted to demonstrate today. I wanted to demonstrate the power of this amazing tool called as Turing Bot, wherein you can create really accurate interpretable models with the help of button clicks. So yeah, this is all that I had in today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do like the content that I post on my channel, it would be super motivating if you can press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to be notified for amazing videos that I create on data science and machine learning. Thank you so much for watching this video.